Let me tell you about my dog, Lucky. I have a dog called Lucky. He is 2 years old and he is a small brown dog with soft fur. He is friendly and always wants to be with me. Every morning, Lucky waits at the door when I wake up. He follows me to the kitchen because he knows I will give him food. He usually eats rice with chicken, but sometimes he gets biscuits as a special treat. After breakfast, we go for a walk in the park. Lucky runs very fast and plays with other dogs. In the afternoon, Lucky likes to sleep in the garden under a tree. When I do my homework, he lies near my chair. If he hears a strange noise, he barks loudly to protect the house. Lucky is not only my pet, he is also my best friend. He makes me happy when I feel sad. I love my dog very much, and I think he loves me too. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson, and happy learning.